Welcome back to my channel. I'm Khylani, aka the Star Girl, and today I'm doing a everyday makeup routine. Show you my outfit because I wanted to give a little bit of a Calabasas look. Okay, so here we are. I wanted to give the cute vibes, bright shirt. I think I'm doing something. My legs are pretty skinny, so bear with me. As you can see, I got a new hairstyle. My edges are not laid, but I'm gonna get that under control when today I want to take it a little slow and chill out. I've been doing eyeshadow all week, crazy looks. I mean, not crazy looks, but I've just been doing eyeshadow. So today I kind of just want to calm down a little bit, and relax just a little bit. Just relax, okay? I hope everyone is doing well and is working out there, grinding, not stressing out. You can never stress out, okay? We have to keep a zen. Oh, I got my nails done. Ew. Everyone, you just have to be calm and stay calm all the time. All the time. To begin with, I brushed my eyebrows in an upward direction. And believe it or not, I use eyeshadow. This little eyeshadow, this is what I use because I ran out of my Anastasia's gel eyebrow stuff, so I would need to go get some more of that, but I'm using eyeshadow now. I'm gonna take some on this brush, and I start right in the middle of my brow and go towards the back, because you know how your eyebrows are supposed to fade in a way? I like to start in the back because it gives it that fading look, and you don't even fill in the front because I'm going to tell you the trick to how to do that. So basically, this just looks dumb. Basically, you look dumb so far. The same thing to this eyebrow. Look like we just have blocks on our face. Now I take an angled flat brush, and the concealer I use is Master Conceal by Maybelline. Wait. This is by Face Studio, but I got in the Maybelline section. Anyway, you saw the tube. Gosh. I'm gonna start in the front and bring it back and upward. To get rid of the light and dark space, because it's so prominent and awkward, all we're gonna do is take our brush right in the middle and go from side to side motion. See? And it looks a little bit faded. My brows that I did today are pretty skinny. I don't know why, but it just came out to look like this. This is what life gave me, okay? This is what life gave me. So I just made them skinny. I don't know why. Maybe I'm liking this look, All depends on how the finished look looks. So I'm gonna take a beauty blender sponge and take the rest of the, take some leftover concealer, and I know that's not a lot, and just conceal my eyelid. I just feel like this helps with cracking. So when I put my foundation on, now it's time for foundation because I'm not doing eyeshadow. Everyday makeup look, I really don't do eyeshadow. And I'm using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 338. 338, okay. 338 Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This foundation is really nice. And I know it's a little browner. I did that on purpose because my skin tone is 2 different colors. So just go with a darker foundation because I can always make it lighter. So I take a beauty blender. I know this beauty blender looks disgusting, okay? And I'm gonna pour some of my beauty blender, just like a dot. And this is, we're gonna stretch this out, watch. 1, 2, 3, and down the middle. Just like this. This is like a one-eyed smiley face. And we're just gonna bring it around. Today I work at 5. Am I happy for it? No. Do I have to do it? Yes. So I really don't have a choice. You know? I really don't have a choice to go or not. I mean, I have a choice to go or not, but I need money, so. After we put the foundation on, I like to set my eyelids first because it starts to crack with the foundation. I haven't used this in forever because I use it Forever 21. I've used this in forever because I use the Forever 21 palette all the time. So I'm gonna use this loose powder from CoverGirl and put it right over my eyes, like literally just set my eyes. But first, before I do that, since I've been talking and like moving my eyelids, it's cracking already. So I'm gonna close one eyelid, go over it one more good time, use the other end, and set it. Just like this. Sometimes I feel like I just want to put a little bit of concealer on the edges to give it that sharp look. So I'm just going to go right back in with my concealer and put it on my blender, little beauty blender. Yeah, I didn't put too much because... Now I'm going to go out on the edges, like that imaginary line that you get for concealer. Just like this. Since I already have a lot, I'm just going to put some right here too. And on my nose. Just want like a little taste. Ooh, ooh, hey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Y'all don't want me to sing because I'm not a rapper. Okay? I'm not, you know? Now we're gonna highlight and contour. So I take this light color, blow a little bit, and put it right here. I'm gonna draw the nose. Cinch this nose right up. And I don't like to go up towards, and I like to go all the way up to my forehead now because I like the look that it gives you. I used to not really do this, but I like the look it gives you. Take our little mini brush and go in with the brown and go up on the forehead. Do you see the effect it gives it? That brown and the... We can also go right back in with a light brown and just get on the neck. So it's a way to basically even out, like to make it blend. Because if I use the dark brown, it wouldn't blend with my skin. Actually gonna go right on the side of my nose really quick. Yes, to give it that cinch look. Now for eyelashes, I use the Kiss brand, Blowout Kiss brand. That's in Walmart. Yes, it's in Walmart. Because people are asleep on Walmart eyelashes. I don't know why, but wake up, okay? Wake up. But I really want to try the other lashes that people show on, you know, Instagram and everything. I'm gonna try those one day, and I'll let y'all know how I feel about them. I can make a review of my first, like, real expensive eyelashes. I should do that. That's a video right there. Boom. No one copied my idea, okay? I'm so original, you know? I use Duo Glue. When y'all think this is out, it's not. Don't let it fool you. Don't let it fool you, boo-boo. What did I tell y'all? Didn't I say that these lashes are amazing? Now, to give it a nice little finished look, I want to highlight, but I'm not gonna highlight my cheeks, I'm just gonna give my nose highlight. Right on the tip of my nose. And on my philtrum. Alright, I'm not done yet. I'm going to lay my edges, put some gloss on, and then I will show y'all the actual finished look, okay? This is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me and knowing about my everyday makeup routine. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I hope you guys, I keep saying I hope you guys, I just want to get more content and amazing content, so just let me know what else you would like to see. And if you like this, blah, 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 if you like this video, and I love you guys. Thank you for all the support. And I'm just really feeling myself, sis. I'm feeling myself, okay? I'm just really feeling myself in this orange, and then okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I love you.